my channel. So recently I went to Bangkok for a layover, one day layover. So I went to a lot of places and I did a lot of shopping, which I wanted to share it with you guys. So first we went to Platinum Mall and we ate a lot, like brunch and all. Then we shopped a few things from Platinum. Like there was a lot of good things, but we had a thought that we have to go to Chatuchak, so we'll just save our money for Chatuchak and impulsive buying. So after Platinum we went to Chatuchak. My hair looks so shabby, it's oily and it's not at all looking good, but please ignore this, okay? I have to wash my hair. It's been like around 4-5 days I've not washed my hair because of continuously flying. So now I'm gonna share what I bought from Bangkok. Yay! So first up that I bought first from Platinum Mall is this shorts, which is like formal and very cute and very chic. Like it's looking so beautiful and the quality is really very good. Can you guess the price for this in India? Like in India I would have got it for like around 700-800 or maybe 1000-1500, but I just got it for 200 baht. Yeah, can you see this? It's just for 200 baht. And next up we have this very cute draped skirt. Like, can you see this? It's very beautiful and the print is so beautiful. The moment I saw this I was like, I'm sold. And this material is very good and I bought this from Chatuchak. You can just drape it and I don't know how I'll style it, but the moment I saw this skirt I was like, I am buying this. So this pretty skirt was just for 100 baht and you can bargain a lot in Chatuchak. And next guys, I got this very cute lip glosses. Like you can see this is Mangosteen, very famous in Bangkok lip gloss.
Wow,
It smells so. And this one, can you see this? And one is this one. And next up we have a bag. Okay, bags I'll start later because I have bought a lot of bags. So now I'm gonna show you this very cute and very aesthetic night suit, which we used to get it from Shein, but I got this very cute and comfy. The print, oh my god, can you see the print? It's so aesthetic and so soft. Like I can't wait to wear this and sleep. Look at the material. It's so beautiful. And you'll find a lot of these aesthetic night suits. Like मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था मैं कौन सा चूज करूँ. I wanted to buy everything from the shop. The shop itself was very aesthetic. और वहाँ पे different very cute bow print and cherry prints. I got this flower print and I don't know why, but then this is so cute. So next up we bought a lot of tops and you will not believe they all are of same design. Like I'll show you this. Okay, so this one I got from Platinum Mall for 250 baht. Okay, so this is like this. You have to wear it like a tube top, which is very cute. I just love this color. I just can't wait to wear this. And you will not believe I love this design so much that I bought the same top in different color, but from Chatuchak. So in Chatuchak I just got it for 150 baht. Can you believe this? And I have this one more color. I bought this top. I thought कि मैं अपने cousins को दे दूँगी, मतलब cousins या friends में से किसी को दे दूँगी ये top. But now I don't feel like giving it to anyone because this is so pretty. And we bought some shirt tops as well. So yeah, one I bought this shirt, which is very trendy and it is a very comfy cloth. Can you guess the price for this one? I bought this from Chatuchak. You will not be able to guess the price because it's just for 50 baht. Can you believe this? It's just for 50 baht. I bought this very cute shirt again. I got this for my roommate and it was just for 100 baht. ये मटेरियल बहुत अच्छा है और ये मटेरियल यू कैन सी इट्स very comfy and very chic and very trendy, I feel. So yeah, I love this top too. So I again bought one more shirt, but this was not for 50 baht. Can you believe? Because I got this from another shop and they sold this to me for 100 baht. But you know, it's very trendy and I'm gonna wear this and I know how I'm gonna style it. The moment I saw this color, I'm like, I'm sold, and I'm gonna save this for my very big event, which is, I don't know when it's gonna happen. Next up, I'm gonna show you all my bags. Okay guys, now it's time for the bags and I don't know where they are now. Oh yeah, so first off, I bought this cross body bag. एक अच्छी चीज़ बताऊँ, बैंकॉक में आप कुछ भी खरीदोगे जो शोपीस में लगा है ना, तो वो आपको वही निकाल के नहीं देते हैं. वो अंदर जाते हैं दुकान में, जो फ्रेश पीस होता है बिल्कुल पैक्ड, वही ला के देते हैं. So I bought this one cross body bag, which I'm gonna style it like this, and it's like so pretty, so pretty. Why my phone cannot stand? Yeah, so it's a very nice quality bag, which I just got it for 300 baht, and it has one more pocket inside. I think I can keep a lot of things. If I keep my phone in a bag, that's a good to go bag. The material is very good. It is very nice bag. So my mom wanted a bag. Okay, so I got this black velvet gold chain bag. Like I said, they give you the new piece. So yeah, it's a brand new piece, I feel. It's a very nice bag. Like, can you see this? It's so good. The quality is so good. This chain quality is so good, and you have one more chain inside, like, and one more pocket inside. Yeah, one more pocket inside, so you can keep a lot of stuff. It's good for moms because they used to carry keys, wallet, and a lot of things. So yeah, I hope my mom likes it. And this bag I got it for myself, but my sister, she's like, I am taking that. The very trendy cherry bag. It's a leather material with gold chain. Again, a new price. As soon as my sister saw this bag, and she's like, this is my bag, you're not giving it to anybody, and that is mine. So I can't say no to my sister. So this is the golden chain, and the inside material is also very nice. But this also has a chain inside, one more secret pocket, and very big. You can keep lot of things in this bag again, and it's gonna look very chic, like very chic. Another bag packed as well. So yeah, the leftover bag is mine. Okay. Oh, ये कैसे चिपक गया है? So yeah, last but not the least, this bag. I don't know why it's looking very dead. But when I saw this bag, it was stuffed with a lot of things and it was looking so nice. But it is very pretty. Like, you can see this detailings and it is very pretty, right? I don't know. I just doubt my decision now. But I think I'm gonna give this to my mom. I don't know. But then this is cute. Like, I feel like I can style it nicely. And it's a very nice bag, I hope. But it is giving a very different texture here. And it's a pocket. A lot of pockets here. So I don't want to underestimate this bag. But this bag is very pretty. I know I'm gonna style it. So now I'll just put a lot of things inside this bag. And then I'll show you why I like this bag. So then this bag looked like this. Like a little puffy. And so now you like it? Yeah, it's looking nice, right? Yeah. So guys, 3 sister advice I'll give you. Bargain a lot. Carry one extra bag from India. And carry lot of cash. So guys, अभी इतने पैसों में इतना ही खरीद पाई थी मैं. yeah, that's all from my Bangkok shopping vlog, and most of the things were from Chatuchak. I hope you liked my this vlog. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with the next video, and I promise to be consistent with YouTube now. And that's all, yaar. That's all. Just see you very soon. Take care of yourself. I love you.